guys, I've got my headlight lens here that needs a little bit more polishing. I've done a whole lot of polishing to this thing already, but it still could use some more on the inside and maybe the outside as well. And then here I've got my shroud, and so I'm going to be trimming from here down a little bit like that, just kind of connecting over and in. That way it'll create a little bit more of a rounder shape for this angel out of fit right here. And then I'm going to try to wrap this in carbon fiber and see how it does on one. And if it looks good with one, I'll do the other one too, versus the black. I might end up just painting them gloss black instead of this matte kind of color that they are now. You can see how that looks inside there. But yeah, for now, let's get started trimming with this Dremel. They look awesome. They look awesome. Look so good. They're so bright. I'm sure the video can't even like show you any kind of justice here, but yeah, they look real good. Super happy with that. Alright guys, please excuse this loud air conditioner over here. But so here are the grills for the vents on the fenders, and I'm gonna paint these since they are chrome, and I got some paint to experiment with. I can always go back if I don't like it, but I got some black chrome paint, so I'm gonna give it a try. This right here, the hood vent, I painted with acrylic enamel, just like the grill on right here. So I was gonna clear coat it, but I'm having some bad luck with clear coat. And this is really gloss shiny right now. I love it, but I know that it will not stay that way for years. So I'm going to have to test it on some other things first, and then I will know for sure whether or not it's worth the effort. But yeah, this will be an interesting experiment to see how these grills turn out from their chrome factory OEM look to black chrome. So let's get to it. The black chrome is this Rust-Oleum custom chrome paint. So we're gonna see how it does. May be cool, it may not be cool at all. Alright guys, we're gonna let this dry. Looks like right now, kind of like a carbon fiber look to an extent. I don't know. We're gonna let it dry. We'll see what happens here. Now while the grills are off the fender is a good time to clean up on these areas here, around the edges here, on the inside. You see how much is coming off there just from my finger. Clean all that up, get it looking good, and you're good to go. Alright guys, it's all painted with the black chrome. It's smooth, you can see all across here. It is dry and it feels good to the touch. I'm going to be putting the emblems back on here. Now they can go back into their slots and see the emblems have these little markers in the bottom so they can go back in easily. I think. That was extremely easy. Okay, so let's get this one. And there we go. I got custom ass grills now. I don't think anybody, I haven't seen anybody with the black chrome, but this will look pretty good with the carbon fiber stuff that I'm adding to the car, because it's kind of got that gray look to it rather than all black. As you can see, there is still a difference inside. So let's get these on. Alright guys, well here's the finished product. These look really good, I think. I really like the look of the black chrome. It doesn't really look black. It's kind of like the gray and carbon fiber, which is pretty cool, I think. Because I plan on getting the grill on the front carbon fiber, but I do like the black as well. So yeah, so the angel eyes, those turned out real good. The grill turned out really good. The hood vent turned out really good. Nice and glossy. And we got our fender grill vents as well. So yeah guys, thanks for watching me upgrade my car and do some at-home DIY stuff. Now we can get ready for shows and autocross for next year. And yeah.